Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials, an M365 account, Teams enabled, and Power Automate access. Once ready, pick where to save messages, a SharePoint list for structured data, OneDrive for files, or Outlook for email archiving. Next, create an automated cloud flow and choose the Teams trigger when a new channel message is added or when a new chat message is added. Make sure to authorize Teams. This links your tenant to the flow, so messages can be captured automatically. Now you build the middle of the flow. Add get message details to grab full text and metadata, then parse content as needed using compose or expressions so you clean up mentions and HTML. If attachments exist, add the get file content action and loop through attachments. Then apply a condition to filter by channel, keyword, or sender so you only save relevant items. Make sure to map fields, title, body, sender, timestamp to your SharePoint list or file schema correctly. Finish by saving and testing your flow with sample messages, then review run history to confirm the saved outputs. Add post-success actions like sending a confirmation or archiving the message. For robustness, configure run after settings and retry policies on critical actions so transient errors don't lose data. If the flow fails, make sure connectors are authorized and check tenant DLP or retention policies that might block access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.